Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In today's video, we are going to find some of the quick tweaks to restore deleted photos from Android. So, if you are in the same situation, then you must watch this video to get back lost pictures from the phone. Now, let's get started. Before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Photos are essential for almost every Android phone user and nobody wants to lose them at any cost. But if those precious moments are lost or deleted from Android, what to do? All you need to do is to try the solutions mentioned in this video and retrieve your image files from a phone easily. Let's see what these ways are. Way 1, use Android Data Recovery Tool. Before moving to other manual methods, I would like to introduce a solution that will recover deleted photos with 100% assurity. Here, I am talking about the Android Data Recovery Tool. This tool has been developed by experts to help users with the data recovery process in such situations. You can use it with any Android phone, even with a broken screen, to recover your files. And the best part is, it can recover all kinds of data on your phone, such as photos, videos, call logs, contacts, app data, messages, documents, etc. So, go ahead and give it a try. I have mentioned the download link of the tool in the description box below. Way 2, recover pictures from Google Photos on Android. You might be familiar with the Google Photos app that stores your pictures for 60 days. If your photos are deleted, then you have the option to retrieve them before 60 days. But you should also remember that this method is helpful only when you have enabled the backup and sync feature previous to deletion. So if you have done this, first, you should open Google Photos app on the phone and then tap on Library. After that, tap on Bin option. Now choose the photos and videos you wish to recover. After that, tap on Restore and all your Google Photos will be restored. Way 3, get back deleted photos via Google Drive. Another option to restore files from the broken screen Android phone is using Google Drive. However, this trick will only work if you have uploaded your pictures on Google Drive. So, if Google Drive Sync was enabled on your device, then you can use it to get back your files. To do this, open the Google Drive website on another device. Log in with the same Google account you are using on your phone. Now, select all the important image files you want to restore and download them. So, this is all about recovering lost or deleted photos from Android phone. I hope these solutions will help you. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other Android users who are looking for the same solutions, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.